Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how I was able to make $1,000 on this particular channel that is not monetized. Yes, so instead of you just sitting around waiting to get monetized, right, you can actually implement whatever I'm going to be telling you right now because it has worked for me, and then start cashing out instead of waiting for YouTube monetization. This is something I do in every of my YouTube channel because of course I run 5 YouTube channels currently and I've monetized 4 out of it, but before they get to the monetization stage, which can take quite a lot of time, I usually make money out of all of it. I don't just wait for monetization, right, or YouTube monetization, or for YouTube to start paying me. Now before you start asking me or thinking, why is she carrying an umbrella? The sun is so hot right now. It is very burning hot. If I should put it out here, you see that the weather is very hot, so I'm actually using an umbrella, but then I hope this umbrella is not stopping us from seeing me. Okay, so quickly let's dive straight into the video. I currently run 5 YouTube channels, like I said, and everything that I've done on that channel that made me able to monetize 4 out of the 5 of those channels is what I currently teach you on this YouTube channel, so that you too can actually implement them for free and then get monetized or start making money out of your YouTube channel if that is what you are looking at, right? And because of that, if you are interested, of course, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Leave me your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any question or any topic bothering you that you want me to share, let me know in the comment section. So quickly, how did I make $1,000 out of my YouTube channel that is not currently monetized? On this very YouTube channel that you are watching this video from, if you go down to my channel and check very well, you'll see that I don't even have up to 200 subscribers, right? And if I should open my watch time hours for you to see, you see that it's not even up to 500 watch time hours. Like, I've not gathered that momentum yet for monetization. And when it comes to YouTube, for you to be able to monetize, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, or if you are using shorts, you need 10 million short views, right? And I've not gotten to that threshold yet, so YouTube cannot pay me. But there is a way you go around it. You don't have to wait until YouTube tells you, okay, come and start monetize, or you are now eligible to monetize, before you start making money. And that is what I want to share with you, right? There are different ways to cash out from YouTube, right, even before you get to the monetization period or the monetization stage there, because I've shared a lot of ways in my YouTube channel on how you can be able to get monetized or make money on your YouTube channel before monetization. But today, let me share with you the one that I am currently using on this particular channel that has made me $1,000 in the past few weeks, right? So what I currently do on this channel that has made me money before waiting for my monetization to come is selling of my knowledge. Right now, when I post videos on here talking about how you can be able to monetize your YouTube channel, or how much YouTube has paid me from my other monetized channels, right, and how to grow here, what I've done, and all of those things, a lot of people get interested, especially people that want to start up their own YouTube channel, because that is my niche, right? A lot of people get interested and they message me. Some send me email, because of course I always have my email address in the description box, right? Some send me emails telling me, oh, they want to start their own channel, but they don't know how to go about it, so I should teach them. And sometimes some will just want to have a one-on-one section with me. They want to ask me other questions, right, and all of that. Because time is money, of course I charge them a fee. They pay, right? Not every of them, of course. Some people just want the services for free, which I don't do. My time is money, my knowledge is money, right, and everything. So I charge them, and some pay, some don't pay. The ones that pay will go ahead with it. We have these classes. They get what they want, I get what I want, and everyone is happy, and that is how it is. It is that simple. So selling your knowledge on YouTube can actually get you money even before monetization. It does not matter the kind of niche that you are in, and you can do this for every niche, right? If you are in the cooking niche, you can start selling recipes, your personal recipe, your grandma recipe that is actually working for you, recipe to help heal someone, or to release, maybe help somebody release, get relieved of cold and all of those things, right? In any niche that you are, you can actually teach something. You can teach whatever it is that you are in that, or that you are doing in that niche. Let's take, for example, you are into fitness. Like, you can teach people how to get fit. You can have a one-on-one class with somebody that has maybe pot's belly and wants to reduce their stomach, somebody that is finding it very difficult to keep up with schedules or routines for their health, somebody that is finding it difficult to eat properly when they are, on that diet and all of that. There is a lot of things that you can actually do in your niche. So your niche is not your problem. It's figuring out how you can be able to navigate and make people pay for the services that you want to render. And one of those ways is for you to teach what people want to hear. Tell them their problem and the solution, right? If you do that, people will come falling for you. The only reason why a lot of people are willing to pay for my courses or for my one-on-one classes is because whatever it is that I teach you here is something that I have done in my other YouTube channels that worked. If it didn't work, of course, I will not come here and teach what is not working, right? Because, of course, you watching this video, you will go ahead and try it. And if it didn't work, you will know that it was just BS. And, of course, you will not watch my videos again. So I teach you what is working here. That is one thing you want to know. Make sure that you have a knowledge of what is already working or what you want to teach. Don't come and teach people what you know is not working just because you want to make money. It is not going to work. It's going to backfire against you later on, right? Now, another thing you want to do is to be very confident and very consistent. If people see that you are confident in what you are doing, you are consistent in what you are doing, you're always showing up. Yes, I know sometimes I don't show up as regular as possible, but then because life will always be life always gets in the way. I can't really cheat nature and cheat life, but I try as much as I can to be consistent, right? And I try as much as I can to also make sure that whenever I come here to drop anything, it is legit and it is good. So make sure that you are consistent and you are confident, you know what you are doing, right? So that people will see that in you, because of course your video tells a lot of things about you. If you don't have the knowledge of something, it shows in your videos when you are talking about it. So make sure that you do that and you are going to start seeing results. This is one way to make money on YouTube before monetization. I've spoke about other ways to make money on YouTube before monetization. You can go down to my description box and check. I'm going to leave the link